Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem, maximum product of word lengths. You will be given a string array. As a first step, find two words which does not share any common letters between them, and then multiply length of both the words. Now do similar multiplication on all possible strings. Find two words which does not share common characters between them and do multiplication of their lengths, and finally return the maximum possible product. In case if there are no such two words exist, then return 0. We will take an example to understand the problem statement better. Let's consider that this is our input array. We will take these two words. There are common letters between these two words. A and B are common between these two words. Let's not consider this pair now. Now we will take this and this word. There are no common words between these two words. Its length is 4, its length is 3, the product is 12. 4 into 3 equal to 12. Similarly, we will consider these two words. Both words does not have any common letters between them. Its length is 4, this word length also 4, the product is 16. 16 is bigger than 12, so as of now 16 is the maximum product. Similarly, we will do the length product on all possible string pairs in this array and find the maximum product. Actually, 16 is the maximum possible product in the given input array. So simply return this back. Now let's discuss the logic. We are directly jumping into the optimal solution. We are going to use bit manipulation technique to address this problem. Let's consider that this is our input array. As a first step, we will generate bitwise integer value for each string. Let's take this integer array. Its length is 26. Each index in this array represents one alphabet. Index 0 represents alphabet A. Index 1 represents alphabet B. Index 2 represents alphabet C, and so on. Now, how to identify index for a given character? We will be using ASCII numbers for this. If we want to find index number for character C, then it is character C minus character A. This is equals to ASCII value of character C, which is 99, minus ASCII value of character A, which is 97. The result is 2. Index 2 is represented by character C. This is how we will calculate character index position. Please note that all input strings will be in lowercase as per the problem statement. We will be filling this array with either zeros or ones only, no other numbers. By default, this array is filled with zeros. Let's take the first input. The characters are A, B, D. Since character A exists, we will fill with 1 at index 0. Since character B exists, we will fill with 1 at index 1. Since D exists, we will fill with 1 at index 3. Rest all we will fill with zeros. Now let's consider this as a binary number from left to right. The binary number is 1, 1, 0, 1, which is equals to 11. Let's take the second string A, C, D. A, C, D. Rest all fill with zeros. The binary number is 1, 0, 1, 1, which is equals to 13. Now we will apply bitwise AND operation on these two numbers. If the resulted number is 0, then there are no common characters between these two strings. Rather, applying on these two numbers, we will directly apply bitwise AND operation on these binary numbers. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, which is not equal to 0. Which means these two strings has common characters between them. Actually, if you notice, it has A, D, D. Now we will consider this input string and calculate bitwise integer value. C, E, we will fill this character with ones. C, E, rest all are zeros. The binary number is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we will perform bitwise AND operation on these two strings. We will copy its binary number. Its binary number is this 1, 0, 1, 1. If we apply bitwise AND operation 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, none means it is 0 here, which is 0. So which is equal to 0, which means these two words does not have any common characters between them. If you notice, yes, it does not have any common characters between them. In such cases, identify its length. Its length is 3 here, its length is 2 here, the product is 6. So this is how we will calculate product on all possible string combinations which does not share any common characters between them. And finally, we will return maximum product. Hope you understood the logic. Let's write code now. I have already copied method signature from LeetCode. We will do basic validations. We will return 0 if either input is null or input array length is 0. Declare a variable to hold input array length. We will declare an array which holds bit set integer value of each input string. Let's use for loop to iterate over the input array. Now we will calculate bit set integer value by taking each character. Let's calculate product. Before that, we will declare a variable to hold max product. We will use nested loop to identify words which does not share common letters. If bitwise AND operation returns 0, then there are no common letters between two words. Let's calculate product of both words length. If the current product is greater than max product, then update max product value. Finally, return max product value. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. Here we are calling max product function with multiple inputs. Let's run. Seems I made some issue somewhere. Let me check. Oh, it's my bad. Let me run once again. Now here is the output which is as expected. So this is about how to find maximum product of word lengths. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.